I lost an entire project folder from my SSD. And the worst part is, I don't have any backup. This folder contains my old YouTube video files, project assets, recordings, and some important documents that I really need. But when I open my SSD, the folder is completely gone. So in this video, I'm going to try recovering my deleted files from my SSD drive. I'll walk you through the full process step by step, starting from checking the SSD proving that the project folder is actually missing. The goal is not just to show the software, but to see if my lost project folder can actually be found and restored. And at the end, I'll open the recovered files to make sure they are not corrupted and can still be used. Before we start, the tool I'm going to use to recover my files is Wondershare Recoverit. Recoverit is a data recovery software that can help you recover deleted or lost files from different storage devices, such as SDs, hard drives, USB flash drives, SD cards, cameras, and more. It can scan your drive, search for lost files, let you preview them, and then recover the files to a safe location. It is support for Windows, Mac, and Linux. Download and install Recoverit on your computer. Now let's test Recoverit with a real example. In my case, I want to recover data from my external SSD. This SSD used to contain some of my old YouTube video files, including project files, clips, and other important media. But as you can see, the folder is no longer available. I already checked the drive, but the files are gone. And the problem is, I don't have any backup for these files. So now, I want to try recovering those lost YouTube video files using Wondershare Recoverit. First, make sure the SSD is connected to your computer properly. Once the SSD appears on your computer, open Recoverit. On the main screen, Recoverit will show all available locations and connected drives. Here, I'm going to select my SSD because this is the drive where my video files were lost. After selecting the SSD, click Scan. Now Recoverit will start scanning the SSD and looking for recoverable files. This may take some time, depending on the size of the SSD and how much data was stored inside. While the scan is running, Recoverit will begin showing files that it can find. Since I'm looking for YouTube video files, I can use the filter option to focus on videos, project files, or specific file types. Once the scan is finished, Recoverit will show all the files and folders that it found from the SSD. Now I'm going to look for the missing folder. In my case, the folder name is Royax. As you can see, when I open my SSD drive normally, this folder is not available anymore. It does not appear in Finder or File Explorer, and I can't access it from the SSD like a normal folder. So now I want to recover this missing Royax folder using Wondershare Recoverit. Inside Recoverit, I can browse the scan results and check the recovered folder structure. I can also use the search bar and type Royax to find the folder faster. If the folder appears in the scan result, I can open it and check the files inside. Here, I can see my old YouTube video files, project files, clips, and other media that were missing from my SSD. After that, I'll select the Royax folder, then click Recover. Now this part is very important. Do not save the recovered folder back to the same SSD, because saving recovered files to the same drive may overwrite other lost data and reduce the chance of recovering more files. So I'll choose another safe location, like my computer storage or another external drive. After selecting the save location, click Recover. Now Recoverit will start restoring the missing folder. Once the recovery process is complete, open the save location and check the folder. And as you can see, the Royax folder is now recovered. Now I can access my old YouTube video files again, even though I didn't have any backup. As you can see, my files are now back. The Royax folder has been recovered successfully, and now I can open it again from the save location. Inside this folder, I can see my old YouTube video files, project files, clips, and other media that were missing from my SSD. Now let's open some of the files to make sure everything works properly. And as you can see, the files are opening normally. The video files are playable, the folder structure is also recovered, and the files are not corrupted. So this is a good sign because the recovered data is still usable and looks like the original files. So if you accidentally deleted important files, lost a folder, formatted your drive, or your files suddenly disappeared without backup, Wondershare Recoverit can help you scan the device and recover files that may still be available. But in my case, as you can see, the missing Royax folder is back, and the files are recovered with the original quality. So that's how to recover deleted files without backup using Wondershare Recoverit. I'll put the Recoverit link in the description so you can try it yourself. If this video helped you, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who needs to recover lost files without backup. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.